Hello everyone, welcome to join Golden International Health Free Education. My name is Mary Huang, Invention Queen, Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales. Today we will teaching Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales, the application knowledge tagged for yourself protect your own health, the correct modern knowledge, Golden International Daily Actions. Golden International Daily Actions consists of 40 different actions, total of 80 Golden International Daily Actions, original education video courses. About a brief introduction, Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales and Golden International Daily Actions in participant form in requirement for participant on learn and obtain effect and so on. We are pleased put on the following after the teaching video. Please everyone must carefully watch and read. Now we will teach one action among Golden International Daily Actions. Last class we gave this action, hand action, shoulder action, leg action, and connect action. Many people ask how many quantity we should to do for each day. Good question. We give an exact answer is 100 times. Shall we do more? No. Because after our few decades deeply research and back practice, we got a final conclusion that 100 times enough, no more. Because if you do more, maybe some action, if you do more, maybe will hurt you inside some parts or organ. That's what we don't want. So just keep this action 100 times per day enough. Shall we do less? Of course, especially for beginner, you need practice, you need correct, change, adjust your action, so you can do less. However, when you get professional, we also ask you to do 100 times each day in order to protect your health. Before we do the 100 times, we should know a couple of things. Number one, for good standing, we need everybody stand with a T-shirt for that action. And feet touch floor should lightly, cannot make any noise, any sound. And number two, keep your body upright and avoid leaning forward or backward. Number three, direct the feet and the legs in the back. Should lightly raise. Cannot kick. Cannot kick. Okay, that's not good. Just right. And finger open and the leg catch your ball, and middle finger put on your hands same outside, and another finger hold your leg, and with the shoulder up down. smooth. Okay, we also need count. We choose two kind of language, different language, English, Han. Somebody asked, why should we need two kind language to count? Good question. The reason is we want to exercise our track and learn far away bronchitis, pandemic, lung diseases, and either lung cancer and many diseases. So we need two kind different language to count. Excuse me, I cannot speak Han. Doesn't matter. You can choose your hometown language to count. For example, you come from Italy, you can choose English Italian language. Anyway, only two kind different language to count. And also eyes look straight, smiling face, head think some things, brain think some things, and make yourself every part busy exercise. Okay, now everybody follow me to do the 1 day quantity 100 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12、13、14、15、16、17、18、19、20、21、22、23、24、25、26、27、28、29、30、31、32、33、34、35、36、37、38、39、40、41、42、43、44、45、46、47、48、49、50、51、52、53、54、55、56、57、58、59、60、61、62、63、64、65、66、67、68、69、70、71、72、73、74、75、76、77、78、79、80、81、82、83、84、85、86、87、88、89、90、91、92、93、94、95、96、97、98、99, 100.6、7、8、9、10、3、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、4、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、5、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、6、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、7、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、8、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、9、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、10、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10. Very good. Somebody also asked, my leg cannot raise high. Doesn't matter. For start, for beginner, yes, somebody had feet, no power, so they cannot do that. But you can use some action instead. First of all, use a big toe, second toe, touch floor, straight, touch floor. And then you can read 10 days, 20 days, your feet got the power. You can read later. And after 20 days, 30 days, you got the power, your feet, legs standing very good, so you can raise normal. But be careful, before do this, knee also should cross. Also cross. Okay, cannot do that way. Yeah, that. Yeah, and also they should move. Okay, your own limit, and finger open, hold. Okay, hold leg, middle finger move up down, and the middle finger never leave the same. Somebody say, accuse me, my pants haven't the same. So for start beginner, your easy way to choose one pants got the same. Yeah, good for you to do action. Of course, when you got a professional, you know how can do. You make a correct action. Your pants are now same, no big deal. But start an easy way. Choose pants with the same. Okay, learn correct knowledge. Must correct knowledge. At home, you can do by yourself Golden Int'l Daily Actions. Of course, you got to have far away, bronchitis, lung disease, pandemic, and many diseases. You got to have it, enjoying your wonderful life.